distinguished guests, delegates, faculty members, and participants. A very warm welcome to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Centennial National Conference on Legal Education in India, Retrospect and Prospects, defining the future of legal education in India. As we have gathered here, I would like to reflect upon the legacy of Law School, Banaras Hindu University, and our revered founder, Bharat Ratna, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Post-independence, Malviya ji realized the need of having self-sufficient human resources. It was his vision that led to the foundation of Law School in 1924. Malviya ji's commitments to social justice and upliftment of marginalized section of society, together with broader principles of human values, forms the basis of Law School, Banaras Hindu University. Today, we are honored to have with us great distinguished personalities. Honorable Justice Girdhar Malviya ji, Chancellor, Banaras Hindu University. I considered it a great honor to welcome Professor C.P. Upadhyay Sir, Honorable Head and Dean, Law School, Banaras Hindu University. It's a great honor to welcome Professor L.N. Mitra Sir, former Vice Chancellor of National Law Universities. It is a great honor to welcome Professor P.K. Mukhopadhyay Sir, ex-head, Department of Philosophy, Jadavpur University. May I invite all the requested dignitaries on the dais. Please, volunteers. Thank you, sir. As we have completed 100 years of our existence, Law School, Banaras Hindu University stands as an epitome of education par excellence underpinning human values. Under the visionary leadership of Professor Anandji, we boast of being the first law school in India to introduce 6-semester LLB course, clinical legal education, and legal aid program, among other community-oriented courses. The present conference is yet another attempt of Law School, Banaras Hindu University to encourage debate and discussions on the theme of legal education so as to evolve roadmap for the future. Once again, I welcome all the distinguished guests, delegates, participants on the behalf of Law School, Banaras Hindu University in Centennial National Conference on Legal Education in India. Remembering and extending the tribute to Malviya ji, I would request our dignitaries on the dais for lighting of lamp and garlanding of the bust of Mahamana. May I request Mr. Ankit from SVDV for Manglacharan.
हरि ओम इमामे अग्निष्टकाधेनवः सन्तवे का चदश चदश च शतं च शत च सहस्रं च सहस्रं चायुतं चायुत च नियुतं च परायुतं चार्बुद चन्यर्बुदं च समुदरश्च मध्यं चान्तश्च पराधश्चैतामे अग्निष्टकाधेनवः सन्तवमुतरा मुखम्योल्लोके नरेखादेव्येडप्सु खादेव्येड्वरेहि खादे बेड्डवनसदेव्येत्सवर्भिदेव्येट्टा हरिः ओम।